Okay, so this is the first lighting of my Siegler oil vaporizer, and I've got it hooked up to the pipe. We'll see how it's doing. So I'll have to pause it so it can, because this takes a while. It takes about 5 or 10 minutes, so we'll see how it's doing. So it's starting to take hold, smoking a little bit. See how it's doing in the next few minutes. So I got the fan set on medium. Take a peek in and see. Oh yes, starting to turn blue. That's a good sign. Let me turn the light off and hopefully you might be able to see it better. Yes, that's better. So this is the first time it's actually firing up in 65 years. And got it working again. Still don't feel that much heat coming down from the back, but I just turned it on. So anyhow, here's a look around at the back. I got the cardboard on the bottom just in case something happens that it causes it to leak. But thank God, no. So we're looking over here. Fire seems to be going pretty good. I'll lower it a little bit. Get back to you in a few minutes. Okay, so I did a rookie move. I was ready to turn it on, and I forgot to turn on the the control valve. So now it's on because it seemed to get lower and lower and lower until it turned itself off. So I turned on the oil control valve and got it set to 3, I believe. Yeah, 3. So it's looking pretty good. Nice blue flame with yellow tips, which is what it's supposed to have. So anyways, that's the stove, and it's working great. Heat's coming out the bottom. So we'll see you all later. This is a Siegler, and it has the 3 heat exchangers. And see if you can see them over here. I put a screen on it, stainless steel screen on all 3 of them, so you won't get dirt being transferred through the unit. So anyhow, that's it. Let's see how it's cooking. Talk to y'all later.